Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, I have this Savinelli that I'd like to work on today, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. Well, let's see what we're working with. This is a Savinelli De Luxe Milano. Shape is 810 KS. Sandblast. It's pretty briar. The stem has quite a bit of oxidation on it. The rim has a little bit of carbon, not a whole lot. A fair amount of cake. Looks like a pretty big draft. Let's see what we got here. Moderately dirty. See if we can get in a little closer. Yeah. Really hard to get good light down in there for you guys to see. But not terrible. Let's get started. Well, I want to get this stem in the oxidation cleaner, so let's just start with it. See how dirty we are. Tight. Okay, let's try a standard pipe cleaner. Very tight. A little bit there at the bit, but we'll clean on it and see what we end up with. But it's awfully tight at the bit. Yeah, passing better. Let me try the bristled tapered. Well, tell you what, let me grab a tapered regular. Try that one next. Yeah, it tightens up. Don't know that I'll get that bristle one through. Yeah, that's too tight for a bristle. Let me see here. See how this feels. This is just my slot file. See if we've got some buildup in there. Yeah. There's a chunk of, looks like tobacco that came out. Yeah, got quite a bit of stuff gummed up in the end of it. All right, let's see if we can do a little bit better. This is still just a standard pipe cleaner. That feels better. Yeah, that stuff turning loose. Let me do a, did I grab more than one tapered? No, let me get another tapered non-bristle. That was a struggle to get through. Still very tight. Running a risk of breaking a pipe cleaner off, and sure don't want to do that. So let me just keep working with this stem, and we'll see if we can't get a little bit more stuff out of it and hopefully pass a pipe cleaner a little bit better. Well, I've gotten quite a bit out of this bit. It's still pretty tight, but I can at least pull a tapered regular cleaner through pretty well, but I'm not going to try a bristle. But it's clean, but it's a tight bit. So let me cleaner, and we'll put that in there and cut it off, and we'll get it into the deoxidizer. Before and after extra strength deoxidizer. And we'll put that in for several hours, 5 or 6 hours. And it should be better after that. Okay, let's move on to the stummel. We do pass light, but not very well. So if that stem was any indication, let's see. This is my reamer, Airway reamer. It's definitely hitting obstruction. There, we finally peeked through. Let's push out a bunch of junk in front of it. There we go. I suspect it's fairly dirty. Yeah. That's going to take a little bit of a while to get cleaned out. So let me do that, and then I'll be back. Got things out of order a little bit from what I usually do. I usually ream the bowl first, but got ahead of myself. But I've got things wet in this shank pretty good. So this is my mortise reamer. Fair amount. All right. You know, I say all right a lot, don't I? Oh, well. Let me continue on, and I'll be back. Well, we've got that airway looking a lot better, so let's go ahead and ream this bowl. Walls look good so far. Let me get that very bottom. All right. Walls look good. No problems. Well, I will be using my before and after briar cleaner. However, I've been playing around with this classic goop to do the heavy lifting on the rim. Get this first dark coat, mainly right in this area, off of the rim, and then do a general cleaning with the briar cleaner, before and after briar cleaner. So far, I mean, this will just be about the third pipe I've used this on. I'm hoping this will become another tool in my arsenal. This side of the rim's not too bad, but just to go ahead and put it on there and let it get what little carbon is there. I want to get some of this inside edge. It does have a little bit of a bevel. And then I'll clean, after I clean it with the briar cleaner, I'll clean the pipe overall real good and inside with some alcohol, denatured alcohol. 91%. All right, let that set for half hour to an hour, and then we'll come back and see how well it took that carbon off. It's been an hour, so let's see if we get some of this carbon off. Still got a little bit right there. I may treat it again. Well, it's been a couple hours. Let's see if it got some more of this carbon off. And yeah, it did. Really thick right in there. Got more of it off. Let's wipe this down again. Gets better with every treatment, but I believe I'm going to stop right there and use the briar cleaner. It's not too bad, just a little bit left right there. So let's do a general cleaning. See all the dirt there. And then we'll maybe restain it. We'll see how much of the stain comes off in the general cleaning, but let's do that next. Before and after briar cleaner. And we'll let that sit for 20 minutes, and then we'll brush it with a soft bristle brush and toothbrush and some water. And while that's setting, I'll get the stem out of solution and we'll get it cleaned up. Sure looks like it got some off. That looks pretty good. Let me finish cleaning it off, and then I'll buff it and we'll take a look at it. Done with the stem. Turned out well. Got that brass bar nice and shiny. Looks good. All right, we'll scrub down that stumble now. Our time is up, so let's scrub it down with some water and a soft bristle brush. See if we can't get that dirt out. I'm going to scrub on it for about 4 minutes. So I'll let you see it when I'm done. Time is up, so let's clean this off. It's just water. Rim's looking pretty good so far. Let me get this dried off and then we'll take another look at it. Well, things have dried out. Let's take a little closer look. Still have just right in this inner rim a little darkening of the carbon. Put a picture of before there. It wasn't terrible, but we were successful getting all this off, but some reason it's this inner edge, maybe with my cork in there, I couldn't quite scrub it down, but looks good. All that dirt in this Sandblast is now gone. All right, we'll put it on the buffer. Here's the finished pipe. I think the sandblast on this pipe, the grain is just stunning. It's a beautiful pipe. I think the rim looks really good. Still just a hair of darkness on the inside edge of that rim, but it's a pretty pipe. Stem looks great. I'm really happy with it. It's a nice pipe. Thank you for sharing your time with me today and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.